Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this lesson, we will learn about the rules of differentiation. In the last lesson, we have learned about the concept of differentiation. So we know the derivative of fx means the gradient of tangent to the curve of the function. And we use these three notations to represent derivative of fx. 1. dy over dx. 2. f prime x. 3. y prime. They all equals the limit as delta x tends to 0. Fx plus delta x minus fx over delta x. For example, if y equals x squared, so y prime equals the limit as delta x tends to 0. The square of sum of x and delta x minus x squared over delta x. After simplifying, so we get this result. Delta x tends to 0, so y prime equals 2x. But if every function we use this method, this difference quotient method to find the derivative of function, it will be so troublesome. So we need to remember some rules of differentiation, and then we can calculate directly. 1. If the function is a constant, and constant we use c to represent. So if we want to get the derivative of a constant, c prime equals 0, 2. Here, a is a coefficient, and a is not equal to 0. So the derivative of this function is a times its exponent, and then times x to the power of n minus 1. 3. e to the x. The derivative of e to the x equals e to the x. 4. Ln x. The derivative of ln x equals the reciprocal of x. 5. The derivative of a to the power of x equals a to the power of x times ln a. 6. the derivative of log base a of x equals reciprocal of x times log a. Seven. The derivative of sin x equals cosine x. 8. The derivative of cosine x equals negative sin x. 9. The derivative of tangent x equals the secant square x. So this is the rules of differentiation. Now we can take some example to practice. One. If y equals 2 times x cubed, so y prime equals, we use the coefficient times the exponent, and then times x to the power of 3 minus 1, according to the second rule. So y prime equals 6x squared. 2. If y equals 3 to the power of x, so y prime equals 3 to the power of x times log 3, according to the fifth rule. 3. If y equals log base 2 of x, so y prime equals the fraction numerator is 1 and the denominator is x times log 2. So this is the rules of differentiation. This is all content we need to learn. See you next time. Thank you.